These are the 10 things I do almost every single day to keep my house from getting out of control.
We use it as motivation to keep going. You're on your way. The old life is past and tomorrow's made new. Keep shining, keep achieving, find peace in the moment, peace in the circumstances. Life is ours to live. Don't let anyone stop you. Just breath and see the beauty in the little things. One step forward, you've got this. Don't get discouraged. We use it as motivation to keep going. You're on your way. On your way. Old life is past and tomorrow's made new. Keep shining, keep achieving, find peace in the moment, peace in the circumstances. Life is ours to live. Don't let anyone stop you. Just grab and see the beauty in the little things. One step forward, you've got this.
Every single day, the kitchen reset is a must.
I don't wanna spend my whole life cleaning up the things we own. Always chasing after messes just to call it a peaceful home. I wanna clear away the clutter, make a little room to breathe. 'Cause the less that I keep holding, the more time I get with me and you. I want less stuff, more living, less cleaning, more biving, more laughing with my babies, more memories we're making. I don't need a perfect home, I just want the way to go. I'm making room for what matters most. More life and a little less to hold. So as I clean, you clean. As I let go, you can too. We're not just clearing out our homes, we're making room for something new. For slower mornings and long hugs, for outside till the sun goes down, for being there instead of always picking something off the ground. Less stuff, more living, less cleaning, more giving, more laughing with my babies, more memories we're making. She would help me grow one bag, one box, one corner at a time. And slowly my space started feeling like-minded. And I didn't need more, I needed less. Oh, to finally feel like I could breathe and rest. Now I'm lighter, I'm free. Everything's not controlling me. I've got space, I've got peace, and it's better than I ever believed. I'm happier, can you see? It's not about I keep less stuff, more life, more ease. And I'm finally feeling like me.
Laundry doesn't stop, and neither do we.
As I clean, you clean. As I declutter, so do you. Side by side, we're getting it done. We're better together, let's have some fun. This is motivation, this is showing up. This is rising above the busy when we've had enough. One drawer, one room, one thing at a time. We're conquering today. You got this. I got this. Let's do it. Dressed by the stores anymore. Pick up the things thrown on the floor. I don't feel that high when I buy. I'm feeling lighter as the messages say goodbye. Life is better. I feel stronger, no longer searching for more. My happy place is sitting in peace in a home that keeps me safe and warm.
I've learned to just tidy as I walk through my home, and this has been a super big help because getting in the mindset that if you're in the bathroom, just pick up things that don't belong there and put them back where they go.
Don't stop, just keep going, don't you stress. Have some fun, don't take it so serious. One step, one bag, that's all it takes. Little by little, bumps of progress we make. We've got a mission, yes we do. Clearing space for something new. We gotta get rid of more, so the less is less. Thank you, Lord, for this day. We are so blessed. Woo! Let's make it break day. Hey, hey. Clearing out the clutter, making room to stay. Peace in the home.
You can always find me with a broom doing a big sweep when it comes to my deep cleaning days. I will just take my broom, I will sweep everything in a big pile, and then I will sort.
Sun comes up, our feet hit the floor. Little kids run.
Clutter doesn't move and clean itself. If you have clutter, it's just going to be clutter. So we have to address the clutter by sorting, donating, and trashing it.
With love and care. Sometimes days feel long, but they're still complete. I'm cherishing every moment because this life is ours to keep. I'm grateful for the days where life seems slow.
I try to have a daily goal, one big priority for the day to tackle.
When our house feels calm and the love can show, little messes, big hearts, laughter in the air. These are the moments that make life oh so sweet. Spill cereal, tiny shoes left by the door. Superhero capes scattered across the floor.
Everyone in the house helps.
We dance through the chaos. We smile through the noise. Every little moment
And then one of the biggest things that's been a game changer is learning to close down my kitchen at night. Just cleaning off the countertops and doing the sink, giving it a nice sweep and mop can make your home feel so much better when you wake up in the morning.
When the house feels calm and love can show, little messes, big hearts, laughter in the air. These are the moments I'll never take for granted. Sunlight on the windows, coffee in my hand, little hands in mine, walking through this land. The world may be messy, but our hearts are clear. We're making memories we'll hold so dear. I'm grateful for the days where life seems slow. When the house feels calm and the love can show, little messes, big hearts, that's are in the air.
And the last thing I do every day is I give myself grace, because we are not after perfection. We are after peace in our home, and that looks different for every single person. So don't be so hard on yourself. If you feel you're doing a good job, be proud of yourself and move on to the next day. You guys are doing incredible, and I am so proud of you. Stay so motivated, so encouraged, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.
Sometimes our lives are built upon the days we thought we couldn't carry on, the nights we cried, the prayers we prayed, not knowing how we find our way. But looking back, I finally see those valleys planted strength in me. Every road I barely made it through was teaching me